Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Steve Freeman coming at you from Zombies Bar here in San Antonio. Tonight, we got a special shout out to Ashley, who asked us actually to make a Purple Gecko shot. We've done that video before, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually make a Purple Gecko drink, and after we get done with that, we'll make the shot again. So Ashley, this one's for you. Okay, so the ingredients tonight. We're going to be using Milagro Silver Tequila, which we carry in the bar, by the way. We also have Dekuyper Razzmatazz, which is a raspberry liqueur. We're going to be using Blue Curacao. We're going to be using Grenadine. And we're also going to be using sour, which is on the gun. Those are the ingredients for tonight's drink and shot, guys. Let's get to making it. Okay guys, now to make this drink, first thing we're going to do is we're going to bring over our salt, and we are going to rim the glass with some salt, just like that. Let's get this back out of the way. Cool, now we got our glass, we're going to fill it up with ice. All right, got our ice and our rimmed glass. First ingredient is going to be our Milagro Silver Tequila. You guys can use whatever tequila that you'd like. 3, 4. We're going to do 1 ounce. I guess a little ½ ounce for the mat there. Then we're going to move on to our Razzmatazz, which is our raspberry liqueur. We're going to put 1 ounce. Okay. Then we're going to move to our Blue Curacao. We're going to put 1 ounce. Okay. Then we're going to put about a ½ ounce of Grenadine. Now we're going to top this off with sour from our gun. Okay, and that right there, guys, is our Purple Gecko drink, which we are going to set off to the side. And I'm going to show you guys again how to make the shot. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our shot glass. We're going to rim the shot glass, just like that. Okay, we're going to take our metal tin, get that out of the way so that's not bugging you guys. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a ½ ounce of Milagro. Okay. Then we're going to take a ½ ounce of raspberry. We're going to take a ½ ounce of Blue Curacao. We're going to take just a splash of Grenadine. And basically just a splash of sour. I don't know if y'all can see that off the camera. And we're going to shake this up real good in our tin. Get it nice and cold for you guys. And we're going to pour that into the shot glass. Look at how purple that is. That looks great. All right, guys. So this is how you make the Purple Gecko drink, and this is how we make the Purple Gecko shot. Okay, now for the taste test. First thing you want to do, lick a little bit of the salt. Oh man, that's really good. Okay guys, so that is really good. You get the taste, you can taste the tequila of course, but with the mixture, it tastes like grape. It actually tastes like grape tequila. So if you like kind of a grapey tequila drink, this is perfect for you. The salt on the rim is great. You put this all together, this is a great drink and it's a great shot. You guys have got to try this. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed making our version of the Purple Gecko shot and drink. If you guys have not tried this, come on into the bar, we'd love to make you one. Try it at home with your friends. Try it at home by yourself. It's pretty good. Guys, if you like what I'm doing, please down in the bottom under the comments section, leave me a comment. If there's a drink you want me to make, please put it in the comments section. If you would like to, please subscribe to the channel. please hit the like button as well, and that helps the YouTube algorithm. Until our next drink or shot, we'll see you then.